I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Polar H10 heart rate sensor to a Garmin watch. First, make sure your Polar H10 is fully charged and properly positioned on your chest, with the electrodes moistened for optimal signal. Next, on your Garmin watch, navigate to the main menu. From there, you will need to find the Sensors and Accessories or Settings option. Once inside, select Add New to initiate the search for a new sensor. Once you have selected Add New on your Garmin watch, you will likely be prompted to choose the type of sensor you wish to add. Select Heart Rate from the options provided. Your Garmin watch will then begin searching for nearby heart rate monitors. Keep your Polar H10 within close proximity, ideally within 1 meter. After a few moments, your Polar H10 should appear in the list of detected sensors. Select it to confirm the pairing. After successfully pairing, it is crucial to verify that the connection is stable and data is being transmitted. Look for a heart rate icon, often a small heart symbol, or a dedicated heart rate data field on your Garmin watch's display. Observe the displayed heart rate to ensure it is consistent with your current activity level and expected rate. The Polar H10 is renowned for its accuracy, providing precise heart rate measurements that are highly reliable for training and performance tracking. For optimal performance, always keep your Polar H10 and Garmin watch relatively close, ideally within 3 meters, to maintain a strong signal. If you encounter any connection problems, a simple restart of both your Polar H10 and your Garmin watch can often resolve the issue. Additionally, be mindful of other wireless devices that might cause interference. Temporarily disabling other nearby ANT+ or Bluetooth devices can help ensure a clear signal path for your heart rate data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.